Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up a cloud print server running on Windows Server 2019 hosted on Azure. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing for Azure, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine with this particular image. Now this image comes with a pre-configured cloud print server. So from this product page, simply click on Get It Now and then click on Continue. After that, from this product description page, simply click on Create. And then you will be brought to this page from where you can customize your virtual machine. So choose the subscription that you have and then choose a resource group by either creating a new one or by choosing an already existing one, and then give a name to your virtual machine. So I'm just going to call this one as Print Server. After that, choose the region or zone where you want to deploy your virtual machine. Once that is done, simply scroll down and make sure that the image is the one that you got from the link in the description box, and then choose the VM architecture and the size of the virtual machine according to your requirements. Once all of that is done, simply provide the credentials for the administrator account for the Windows Server 2019. Remember that this is the account that we will be using to connect to our virtual machine using an RDP connection. Once that is done, simply click on Review plus Create. Now doing so would launch up a validation process, so simply wait for the validation process to fully complete. Once the validation process is done, simply click on Create to actually create this virtual machine. After the deployment process is done, you would see this screen. Now what you want to do is that you want to connect to our virtual machine using an RDP connection. Now for that, simply click on Go to Resource. And then from this overview page, you need to click on Connect and then choose RDP. And then from this page, you're simply going to click on Download the RDP file. And once that file is downloaded, simply click on it to launch the RDP connection. So click on Connect and then provide in the credentials that you have created while creating this virtual machine. Then click on OK and you would be prompted one last time, so simply click on Yes. Now once the connection has been established, you also need to wait for the Windows Server 2019 to fully load. Once it has fully loaded, you can start using the Cloud Print Server. To use that, simply open up the Print Management. Now the very first thing that you want to do within this Print Management is to connect your printer to the Cloud Print Server. So for that, simply click on Print Server and then the name of your virtual machine, and you're going to right click on Printers and then click on Add Printer. And then from this page, you're going to choose the option that says Add a TCP IP or a web services printer by IP addresses or a host name, and then click on Next. So basically now you're going to provide the IP address of either the printer or the network to which the printer is connected. So the IP address of my printer is 192.168.18.30 and the port number is 3911. Once that is done, simply click on Next and then wait for the connection to be established with the printer. Once the connection has been established with the printer, you would see this screen that your printer has been installed successfully. Now to finish this wizard, simply click on Finish and you would see your printer right over here. Now, if you want to grant access to a group of users using Active Directory to this printer, you can do that as well. For that, simply right click on the printer name and then click on Deploy with Group Policy. In here, you're going to simply click on Browse and search for the GPO name or the group name to which you want to grant access for this printer. Anyways, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below and we will get to you as soon as possible. And make sure to check out the links in the description box for the marketplace listing for Azure and also for the step-by-step blog post guide on how to set up Cloud Print Server on Azure. And finally, if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.